Okay, so I thought I'd do just a quick review on what I'm doing here with my soaker hoses. This is my squash here, and I have the soaker, I have them in mounds and the soaker hoses going around them. I had a couple plants die, so I just planted new seeds and made little makeshift greenhouses over them. But what I wanted to show you is that I bought the 100 feet of soaker hose, and then I cut them down to fit my boxes. Then I cut up a garden hose, put ends on both, and then I brought it over here, and I have my hose coming in. The red hose is the in, and then each one of these hoses is part of my cut up garden hose going to each bed. Here's my squash, and I've got them circled, or well, they aren't circled around, these just go by the squash around the thing. Then I have, I just planted broccoli, so I have my plastic on. But in here, there's the broccoli, and we've kind of gone all over the place with the soaker hoses on that. And then sweet peas here, there's onions and cilantro in the back. And then I have a trellis made here. I've got 2 trellises with sweet peas on each side, and the soaker hose going next to them, and in between and next to them. And then behind me, I have a glass house on top of a bed. This will be for tomatoes. This is what I started all my plants in. But got a soaker hose going in there. And then on these, got the circles around each soaker hose. I have some herbs growing there. Up here is where I put starters. It's a shelf up there. It gets about 100 degrees in here. And I will grow the tomatoes in here for the entire season. Over.